Hey guys, it's Tom up here at the chiggers again, and finally got our tedder. Hang on a minute, I'll give you a peek at it. There it is. It's already dusty because I've been using it for about the last hour. It is Mechmaxx is the brand name. It comes with a PTO shaft, but it's too short. It wouldn't work. I had an extra one. Anyway, that is, I don't know if you can tell or not, but you can see down in here, that's how it teds. That was a little piece of a windrow that I left to just test this tedder out on. And you can see here, this is why we had to get that wet hay off the ground. Look how pale that grass is and weak, as opposed to that that's just a few foot over. Now here again, you can see the stubble where we cut it, and look how tall that is. 8 inches in 2 weeks. That's some growing grass right there. But anyway, back to the tedder. The tedder done a great job, but here's the thing. It has absolutely no instructions with it, none. There's a picture that says assemble and make it look like the picture, and that's the assembly instructions. If you're not mechanically inclined, you ain't gonna get it. Nothing was greased. You know, you'll have to grease everything. Everything was dry, not even any factory grease in it. I'm telling you, everything was dry. So if you wind up with one of these little deals, it works. It's funny how it works. These tines, pick it up. If Sally was here, we'll make a better video when Sally's here, because I can't do it all by myself. I'm helpless. Anyhow, it's funny how it teds in that it throws it forward under the tractor, and then the back tines scoop it back out and throw it out behind you. When I first done it, I thought I had it wrong. I thought I had something was messed up. But when you get into the hay, that's how it leaves it. I mean, you can't argue that that's tedded hay. It's just not tedded how you normally used to seeing it. Anyhow, the little John Deere tractor has been a champ. One thing I wanted to brag about also is this piranha tooth bar right here. That thing, if it wasn't for that, I couldn't have got this wet hay off the field. I'll have to make an example out of it, but tilt the bucket till these here are on the ground, and it would rake, these here would act like rake teeth and rake that hay up, and you're not going to believe how much hay we got ruined. This is just one part of as far as you can see there's 10 or 12 big piles. Now this pile here is 4 foot, 5 foot tall, almost as tall as I am. Each one of them, I would estimate there's 1,000 pounds of grass in there. Even if it wasn't wet, there's 1,000 pounds of grass in there. And so you can see, and down that side over there, same story. I'll bet we lost 5 tons of hay. That's what I'm gonna guess. We lost about 5 tons of hay, because we would have picked all this up too. All this that's I've tedded, and the only reason I tedded it out was so it would stop killing the grass that's under it, and give this grass a chance to, this pale grass a chance to grow up through it. But anyhow, that's it. I'm going to put everything away. The little Mechmaxx tedder done a good job. You can kind of see right here what it's doing by those tines. See, that one's raking, that one's raking, that one's raking, but that one is dumping. The one next to it is dumping, and then the one over here is back to gathering. All right, so it kind of dumps it under your tractor, but then by the time this back one gets to it, it flails it out again and leaves it like that. It's crazy to watch it going through the field, I can tell you that. Anyhow, enough rambling. Y'all have a good day. See you later.